Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to connect Manychat to ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account. This will allow you to connect ConvertKit with Manychat. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. Here you'll see a button labeled Create. Click on that and then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is there to guide you through the process. Next, you'll want to choose both ConvertKit and Manychat from the list of available options. Make sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. To connect your ConvertKit account, click on the Sign In button. You'll need to input your API key here. To find this key, go to your ConvertKit account, navigate to Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. Once you've pasted it into Zapier, simply click Yes, connect to ConvertKit, and you're all set. Now repeat this process to log into your Manychat account. You'll have multiple options for signing in, so choose the one that's suitable for you. After you've connected both accounts, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap, and that's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.